Right.
Haters. Look on no good. Look. Look on me. Feel you know in my thing, no.
Hey, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing some detox juice, right? In our detox juice is string bean, putting in some string bean, some ginger, some callaloo, and water of life. Let's go. Let's do this together. Take a journey with me. We're pouring some water in our blender already. I'm gonna put in some string bean. I just wash my string bean. I don't cut off anything off it. There. I'm gonna place in everything we need in there. Everything. Not leaving back nothing at all. Alright. Can add some more water. Now we're gonna blend. Our string bean blend. Now we're gonna place in our ginger, our callaloo, and now we're gonna blend again. Smells good. You can smell the ginger. Now we're gonna strain our detox juice. Normally you can drink it the same way like it is. You don't have to strain nothing. You can drink it the same way. You can put it in the fridge and get it cool and just have a drink. Now we're gonna strain. I drink it already like this, and it's very filling when you don't strain it. Nicely. Look at that rich juice running out. And what you can do also, you can use the trash to make face masks. Like if you have bum problem and stuff, you can use it to make masks to put on your face. Natural product. Finish spraying. This is our trash. Leave back. This is the finishing touch right there. Alright. I'm gonna taste it. I put ice in there. It's very refreshing. You don't have to put no sugar because it is a detox juice. You don't need no sugar. You don't need no honey. Right? and you can try it at home. Easy to do. And this is the end of my video for today. But please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell your neighbors about this juice. And please remember to comment below. If you have an idea what you want me to try out, you can also DM me on Instagram, or you can comment below the video and then I will respond to your text. And also please remember to be safe in this pandemic. Please wear a mask, abide by the rules. I don't want you to get charged. Just bye.